A neutral to friendly cattle on feed report on Friday. We'll take a look at the numbers in just a moment. Welcome back to Your World in Agriculture for February 21st, 2025. A big thanks to Imogene Ingredients, our sponsor. It was indeed neutral to bullish for the cattle on feed report due to lighter on-feed totals and placements than pre-report estimates. Last year's lower placements had a lot to do with a harsh winter storm that hit in January. We take a look at the numbers. First off, as we see the chart show up, the cattle on feed number came in today at 11.7 million head as of February 1st. That's down 1% from February 1st of last year. That's slightly more than the trade's expectations. Placements in feedlots during January totaled 1.8 million head. That's 2% above last year compared to the trade's estimate of 3%. Net placements were 1.76 million head. Marketings of fed cattle during January totaled 1.87 million, 1% above last year. That was below the trade's 2% expectation, though. So again, the cattle on feed inventory report is considered, according to some experts, to be neutral to friendly the market. Now, let's take a look at the commitments of traders report that showed that the outside money getting more bullish the corn market and more bearish the wheat market. Right now, the commitment of traders report on Friday showing that the money managers added to their long position by 20,000 contracts this past week, ending in February 18th. Anyway, on to the soybean market. The managed money now still net long over 16,000 contracts. Meanwhile, money managers are still net long in the soy oil market, but net short the soy meal market, and that's how the soybean complex looks. On to the wheat, the soft red winter wheat. The money managers basically net short around 61,500, but the big story here, they added 30,000 contracts to their short position in this past week. The feeder cattle market, outside money, net long, over 30,000 contracts, little changed from last week. The live cattle market, they added to their longs in this last week, now over 138,000 contracts in that net long position. And then for the hog market, lean hogs, over 114,000 contracts in the net long position. They added about 12,000 to their net longs in this past week. So that's a look at the markets, the positions in the outside money, as well as the cattle on feed report. Now, want to remind you that for the cattle, hog, and poultry producers out there, if your livestock have scours, Imogene Ingredients sell a product called Pharmatan. That's Pharmatan. It stabilizes the digestive process. It can save your animal, increase immunity levels, and improve general health. Decrease your scour cases today on your farm by contacting Imogene Ingredients at 515-745-1639 or visit imogeneingredients.com. I want to say a big thanks to Arrow Advisory for today's charts. Also, be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. I'm Mike McGinnis.